Alright, in this video I want to show you this wonderful multimeter. Is better than the Fluke and everything else. So this is like $20 if I'm not mistaken, like very economical, and it has something that I never seen before. So it has this device inside of this. So basically you can detect the voltage just by using this, and you don't need this, because usually when I go to people's houses, you know, I have to use this to make sure that, you know, I have power or there is no power or anything like that. And if I want to measure the voltage, I have to use this, you know, if I want to have like the exact voltage. With this, it will tell you, okay, you have voltage or you don't have it, but that's it. With this, you can have both at the same time. So I'm going to show you this product closely. So I'm going to change the camera. So basically when you buy it, comes like this, like you see, with this case. So it's amazing. So for this little amount of dollars, you have everything that you can imagine of. So you have all the probes that I'm going to show you in a little bit. Also, you can measure the temperature with this, right? And also you can measure the voltage. So this is the thing I'm going to show you first. So as you can see, it says NCV. So I think it's near current voltage. So here I have a heat gun, so the way you can see is plugged into the power, and I'm going to put this here. You see, it tells me that I have a voltage here. So it's very sensitive, you see. I am like 1 or 2 inches away, and it keeps now it's detecting, you know, some voltage. And this is amazing because usually, you know, if you have one of these, you see, I am like half an inch away, and it doesn't detect anything. I'm going to turn off the light, so hopefully you can see it better. Okay, so as you can see, I am like half an inch away, and it's not detecting anything. The other one is detecting something, you see? So this, I have to touch the wire, basically, you see? I mean, it works, but this is more sensitive, so I like it a lot. So I'm going to show you a few other things. I'm going to turn on the lights so we can see better. Also, it has a backlight. I should have done this when the light was off, but as you can see, the backlight works amazingly good. So now I'm going to show you everything. So as you can see, it comes with the alligators. So you have a pair of alligators, you have these. So basically I'm going to show you how this works, or how you can use it with this. So basically you have this, and this is good if you have to use it, you know, with the electrical outlet, and you have to put a pocket inside. Here you have to unscrew it, let's say here, and then you can screw this in, and that's it. You have the alligator, and very good. And also, I mean, with the case, it's amazing because, you know, you're not going to lose anything, because usually when I buy these type of multimeters, they don't have any case or anything like that, and the screen will get, you know, damage, or it will start scratching up and everything. But if you keep it here, it should stay like that for long time. So as you can see, you have different bits here that you can adjust. So basically, in this case, I'm going to use the long one. I think this is going to be the best one for this. And it comes with this. I mean, the cable is thick, looks premium. So basically, if you never use one of these before, just plug this in here, and depending on what you want to measure. So as you can see, you can measure temperature, diode, also continuity, also capacitors, voltage, ohms, hertz, and well, capacitor, like I said before. And here, milliamps and amps. Depending what you want to control, you can use this. So with this, let's say if you want to measure voltage here, so all you have to do is press, put it like that, and you see it says DC. If you press the orange, it will change to AC, and if you press it again, it will measure the hertz of the frequency of the voltage, and that's it. So basically, with each switch, you have to do this. So here it says DC, AC, temperature, Faraday, and there you go. So here we can switch again. Here we have ohms. You see ohms over there. Here we have continuity. Here we have the diode. Here, I think maybe temperature or something else. Okay, ohms, continuity. So continuity works. So hopefully you can see better now. There we go. And I'll show you here with the thermocouple. So basically you have to make sure that you use the positive with the red one, negative with the black one. Just put it like that. And I have to switch it to temperature. So here, there we go. You leave it like that. And then you're going to push here until you see temperature. So Celsius, Fahrenheit. And then we can grab the thermometer here, and it will increase the temperature, as you can see here. So it works very, very well. So it will increase little by little. If you want, you can put it in Celsius. There we go. 25. Now I'm going to use the heat gun so that way you can see that it works. There we go. Temperature is increasing faster. So if you push it again, there we go. 24. Okay, as you can see, it works just fine. Works very, very, very well. Now, again, if you want to turn on the backlight, just push it here for a few seconds, and that's it. And also here it says range. So I think you can change the range with this. I didn't use it that much, so it's new. Okay, so here it says manual or automatic. So basically it will change the comma. There we go. Yep. So with range and this, and you can do everything with this. Very simple. So it has like a small stand. So if you want to leave it like that, you can. And what else? So it comes with the other probes, the little ones, as you can see here. So basically you have the long ones, as you can see here, these ones, and then you have the little ones. So if you have, a lot of cables, you don't want to short anything, you use the little ones. If you want to use something to put inside of the electrical outlet, you use this one, and that's it. So very simple. It comes with a small manual that you see here. I think it's self-explanatory, so after I show you how it's used, and also it has auto power off, so if you want, you can leave it maybe a few minutes and it should turn off by itself. So if you have to replace the battery, I think when I put the battery, it was a AAA battery, so it works great. Just remove the 4 screws, and that's it. Put the batteries in and leave everything inside, and that's it. So to me, it's like a very, very nice for the price. For all the capabilities, because I tried different brands and none of them have the same feature like this, the near current voltage detector. And it is very sensitive, so I like it a lot. I highly recommend it. So I've been using it, and I'll show you before I finish the video, so that way you see it will work. I have a small test for the voltage, so that way it works. But I highly recommend it. So if you have to buy something like this, I like it a lot. So maybe in Amazon or Temu or someplace like that, you can buy one of those. So here, as you can see, I have a power supply. I think it's 12 volts. So I'm going to put it here. There we go. Put this here like this. And there we go. We have 12 volts. And it works right. So that's it for now. So if you want to learn more about how to use tools and everything else, go to my playlist. You will see everything over there. And if you're outside United States, you need any tool or anything like that, I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link in the video description. You can buy yourself. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Here I'm going to show you, for instance, if I put it close to the wall, to the electrical outlet, you see, it can detect the power, the electricity. And the other one, even if I do the same, you see, it will not detect it. I have to put it inside of the outlet, but in this case, because this is for children outlets, you know, it has the blocking mechanism that if you put the plug, you have to touch both ends at the same time in order to make it fit. So in this case, I cannot do it, but as you can see, I put it, you know, like very close. It's not doing anything. So I like this multimeter a lot.